What if your glasses could display apps in front of your eyes, record videos, translate languages, and even run Android apps? Sounds like something from the future, right? Well, today on Caring Guy, we're checking out the AI AR smart glasses called the INMO AIR 3, a powerful wearable device with a 1080p AR display, a 16-megapixel camera, built-in Android system, and a Qualcomm processor. But are these glasses actually useful, or just another futuristic gadget? Let's find out. Design and build quality. First, let's talk about the design. The INMO AIR 3 smart glasses look surprisingly sleek compared to many bulky AR headsets. Instead of looking like a VR helmet, these glasses resemble normal, stylish eyewear, which makes them easier to wear in daily life. The frame houses several smart components, including cameras, microphones, speakers, sensors, and a touch control panel. Despite all that technology, the glasses are still lightweight and portable, making them suitable for everyday use. AR display technology. Now, let's talk about the most exciting feature, the augmented reality display. The INMO AIR 3 uses a Sony Micro-OLED display system combined with a binocular waveguide optical design. This allows the glasses to project a virtual screen directly in front of your eyes. Here are some key display specs: 1920 by 1080 Full HD resolution, 36-degree field of view, up to 600 nits brightness, refresh rates up to 120 Hz. This means the screen appears clear, bright, and smooth, even when used outdoors. You can watch videos, read notifications, or run apps as if you have a floating screen in front of you. Built-in Android system. One thing that makes these glasses really powerful is that they run an independent Android operating system. Instead of depending completely on your phone, the glasses can run apps directly. Inside the device is a powerful processor similar to smartphone chips, including an octa-core processor from Qualcomm Snapdragon. The hardware includes 8 GB of RAM, 128 GB of storage. That's enough power to run apps, handle AR features, and manage multiple tasks smoothly. Developers can also create new experiences using the Open API SDK, meaning the ecosystem can grow over time. Camera and video recording. The INMO AIR 3 smart glasses also include a 16-megapixel camera. This camera supports 1080p video recording, 120-degree ultra-wide field of view, and electronic image stabilization. Because the camera is mounted on the glasses frame, it captures video from your natural point of view. This makes it perfect for POV videos, travel recording, live streaming, and quick photo capture. It's like having a hands-free action camera built into your glasses. Smart controls and interaction. Controlling the glasses is surprisingly flexible. The INMO AIR 3 supports several input methods. These include a touchpad control on the temple, voice commands, a ring controller, and hand tracking support. There are also physical buttons for power and volume, making it easy to adjust settings quickly. These multiple control options make the glasses feel more like a true wearable computer rather than just a display. Audio and microphones. The glasses also include dual speakers and 4 microphones. This allows you to listen to music, take calls, record voice notes, and use voice commands. The microphones also help with voice recognition and AI features, which can improve things like translation and smart assistant tasks. Sensors and smart features. To track movement and environment data, the glasses include several built-in sensors. These include a 3-axis accelerometer, 3-axis gyroscope, 3-axis magnetometer, and ambient light sensor. These sensors help the glasses understand movement, orientation, and lighting conditions, improving the overall AR experience. Battery life. Battery life is always important for wearable devices. The INMO AIR 3 includes a 660 mAh battery. Here's what you can expect. Up to 7 hours standby time, around 3 hours music listening, about 1.5 hours video watching, and about 1 hour video recording. Charging is also fairly quick. 30 minutes equals about 59% charge. 1 hour is full charge. So you can quickly power them up before heading out. So, who should actually consider buying AI AR smart glasses like these? They're ideal for tech enthusiasts who love futuristic gadgets, content creators who want hands-free recording, developers interested in AR app development, and professionals exploring wearable technology. These glasses show how augmented reality could become part of everyday life. Pros and cons. Let's summarize the main pros and cons. Pros: full HD AR display, independent Android system, powerful processor with 8 GB of RAM, 16-megapixel camera with stabilization, multiple control methods, and lightweight wearable design. Cons: battery life could be longer, AR field of view is still limited, and some features like hand tracking are still in beta. So, are the INMO AIR 3 AI AR smart glasses worth it? If you're excited about augmented reality, wearable computers, and next-generation tech, these glasses offer a fascinating glimpse into the future. They combine AR display technology, smart sensors, a built-in Android system, and hands-free camera recording into one compact device. It's not perfect yet, but it shows where personal technology is heading next. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, comment your thoughts about AI AR smart glasses, and subscribe to Caring Guy for more tech reviews and futuristic gadgets. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.